Right, so today I'll be showing you 3 ways of taking screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 and S10 Ultra. So this is very simple. The first method is using the buttons. We have the power button and the volume up and volume down buttons. So one of the ways of taking is the default Android way, which is power and volume down. Press once together, that takes a screenshot. You can press again. It's going to take another screenshot, as you might have seen the screen flashing. Now you can just go to the quick toolbar and access any screenshot, and from here you can choose to edit the screenshot. You can crop it, you can extract text. So for instance, you just tap on the pencil icon, that gives you all the editing options for your screenshot. All right, so you can see we can crop it like this. You can pick the part you want. You can write on the screenshot and draw circles and arrows and do whatever you want to do. And then once you're happy with the screenshot, just tap on the save button and then confirm you want to save. That's going to save your screenshot. Now all screenshots are saved in your gallery. So if you go to your gallery, you should see all your screenshots together with all your other photos. But of course, you can always tap on this little icon here, and that's going to open up this, and you can tap on albums, and there's going to be a special screenshot album where only screenshots are saved. Now let's move on to the second way of taking screenshots. The second method is a palm swipe gesture. So you can swipe your palm across and that takes a screenshot. The other side, that takes a screenshot as well. And to do that, you need to have it enabled. So you can go into settings, and under settings on the left hand side, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that. And then under advanced features, you should see motions and gestures, tap on that. And then palm swipe to capture. So make sure that is enabled, because if it's disabled, you won't be able to do this. So make sure that is turned on so that you're able to just swipe your palm across the screen and take a screenshot. Now the other way is to use the quick settings panel. So you can scroll down on any side and then scroll again. And in this quick settings tiles, you should see the option to take screenshot. Now, if it's not there, which is usually not there by default, you can simply tap on the editor, this pen icon here, and then tap on full, and then you can add it there. So you can see this one is in the available buttons, take screenshot. So you just touch and hold and then drag it to this section, place it where you want, and then tap on done and done. Now hit back, and from now on, whenever you swipe down to the quick settings tiles, you will see the option to take screenshot, and you can tap on it anytime, and that's going to take a screenshot of your Galaxy Tab S10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section and we will get back to you in the next one. Good luck.